I used 4 old tomato cages from my summer garden and four 100 count multi lights. You can get those from anywhere, and some zip ties for this project. I just wrapped the lights around the top up here. I love the one right here in case you want to plug a topper in there. And I just go around and around and around. Don't worry about if this tomato cage bends or anything, because at night when the lights are off and you turn these lights on, the only thing they're going to see is these little triangular shapes. And that's pretty much it, y'all. If you're going to put a topper on there, you put a topper on there, and then it's good to go.